Samantha had been creating YouTube shorts for months, but no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't get the views that she wanted. She spent hours researching the latest trends, perfecting her content, and optimizing her videos for SEO, but nothing seemed to work. One day, Samantha stumbled upon an incredible way to make a viral shorts video using the Suggested Shorts AI tool from TubeBuddy. It quickly identifies the most engaging parts of your long-form video to make into a shorts video, saving you a ton of time and guesswork. Let me show you how it works. Here's how to find the most captivating segment from your long-form video to make into a short. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, then select any of your long-form videos. Click on the video, click on the TubeBuddy tab top right, click on Suggested Shorts. As you can see, TubeBuddy has identified a 15-second segment from this video that gets a 90.58 retention increase. It says, remember, you aren't limited to footage you've already shot. Your best option may be to cover the same content with fresh footage. That means I have two options. I could use this exact same 15-second segment to make into a short, or I can create a new short based upon a similar content. I can also scroll through all the other long-form videos to select a captivating segment that I can make into a short. The top one gives me a 90% retention increase, the second one 68% retention increase, and the third one 60% retention increase. So obviously I want to try this top one that gives me a 90% retention increase. TubeBuddy has identified the section from 259 to 314, so I'm going to select that particular segment from the long form video. Here's how to import and rescale your long form video into a short. Create a vertical document in your video editing software that's 1920 pixels high by 1280 pixels wide. I use Screenflow for the Mac to edit my videos, but you can use any video editor. To download my long form video to make into a short, click the three dots, says Options, click Download. Now I've imported my long form video into Screenflow, ready for editing. If you're just importing a long form video as is onto your vertical document, people that are watching the video from their mobile phones won't be able to view it so clearly. Therefore, you need to rescale your video to fit the document. Here's my 15-second short based upon the recommendation from TubeBuddy. Another option to make your long form video into a short is to use the YouTube Shorts camera app. Just tap the remix icon under your video, then tap Edit into a short. Here are some tips for creating viral shorts. Use the most engaging part from your long form video. You can identify the most engaging parts of your long form video by looking at the peaks on your audience retention graph. Alternatively, use the YouTube Suggested Shorts tool from TubeBuddy as I showed you previously. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Create a clickable title for your shorts video that makes viewers want to click on it to watch the video. Instead of creating a boring title like How to Enable the Community tab, I created a more captivating title called How to Enable the Community tab on YouTube without 500 subscribers in 2023. This type of title would make viewers more inclined to stop scrolling on their phones to click and watch the video. Use a strong hook in the first few seconds of your shorts video to capture your viewers' attention. For example, in this shorts video, I tease about what's coming up later in the video. The lady in Espresso only has 342 subscribers, and Gito1 only has 34 subscribers. What's going on? In this shorts video, I hook viewers by making a bold statement about what to expect in the video, then add closed captions on top of the video. Use lots of B-roll throughout your shorts video to maintain your viewers' attention. Experiment with different lengths for your shorts video to see which length gives you the highest audience retention. For example, if a 15-second length gives you a 90% retention, use 15 seconds. If a 30-second length gives you 99% retention, use 30 seconds. Select the best frame from your shorts video to use as a custom thumbnail. If using an Android or iPhone device, you can select the best frame from your shorts video. If you want to use a regular horizontal custom thumbnail, in case your shorts video shows up in Google search with a large thumbnail, use TubeBuddy's thumbnail creation tool in YouTube Studio. Just click on Create Thumbnail, click Other Image, then just click on Drop File here to upload your image. Watch this video for a step-by-step guide on how to create or change a custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. I'll place a link in the description. Keep in mind that if you edit your long form video into a short using the YouTube app, a link will appear at the bottom of your shorts video that links back to your original video. Alternatively, you can add a graphic that directs viewers to click the link to your long form video in the comments. If you want to know how to create and upload YouTube Shorts from your PC, watch the video on the screen right now for a step-by-step guide on how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. You'll be glad you did.